CQ, Macintosh, 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Hello, hello. Whiskey Radio 145, was it? Macintosh 219, Macintosh 219, CB Radio on the YouTube. I hear you. Double 0040, I think it was, and another Hawaiian station. I heard you both. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. I'm taping you guys, so you'll check out your signal there. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Hey, aloha, my friend. Thanks for coming back. You're sounding great here, man. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. You can see your stream there. It's looking pretty good, man. Thanks for coming back there. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Check, man. You sounded good out there. I go by Macintosh. Nobody really knows my name. Just the Macintosh 219, my friend. But yeah, I'm going to record you and put you on the YouTube channel. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Check, my friend. Aloha there. Thanks. I hope to visit the Hawaiian Islands again someday soon. All right, buddy. To Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Check. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Hello. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Hello, hello. World Radio 291 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. 219. Hey, Honolulu station, Macintosh 219, San Francisco Bay. Okay. 219, San Francisco. 219.